Subscribe now for honest reviews and exclusive deals.
Bring your PC setup to life with the RGBIC Monitor Sync Ambient LED Light Strip. Watch as vibrant RGBIC lighting reacts in real time to what's happening on your screen, creating an immersive atmosphere for gaming, movies, and entertainment. With synchronization speeds of up to 20 frames per second, every color shift, explosion, and visual effect extends beyond your monitor for a more engaging experience. Designed specifically for PC users, this ambient backlight works with Windows and iOS systems and supports monitors from 24 to 49 inches. Powered by USB and featuring stunning Dreamcolor RGBIC effects, it's the perfect addition to any gaming station, streaming setup, or workspace. Elevate your screen, enhance your experience, transform your setup with the RGBIC Monitor Sync Ambient LED Light Strip.
Imagine a light bulb that floats in mid-air. Introducing the Magnetic Levitation Lamp, a stunning blend of technology, innovation, and modern design. Using advanced magnetic levitation, the glass LED bulb hovers above the base while creating a mesmerizing visual effect that instantly captures attention. Perfect for home offices, bedrooms, living rooms, or workspaces, this unique lamp adds elegance and creativity to any environment. With touch-controlled lighting and a sleek, minimalist design, it's more than a lamp, it's a statement piece. Looking for a memorable gift? The Magnetic Levitation Lamp is the perfect choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Light up your space with the magic of floating technology.
Tired of eye strain while reading or working at night? Meet the Baseus LED Clip Table Lamp, your perfect portable eye protection light for reading, studying, and work. With stepless dimming and 3 brightness levels, you can easily switch from a soft night light to a bright reading or office mode with a simple touch. Its 4000K natural warm light is designed to reduce glare and protect your eyes, making long reading sessions more comfortable. Clip it onto your desk, laptop, or bedside, or simply place it on any surface. Lightweight, flexible, and fully portable, it's made for home, office, or travel. With long-lasting rechargeable battery life, you can enjoy hours of wireless lighting anywhere you go. Small in size, big on comfort. The Baseus Clip Lamp is your everyday lighting companion. Charge all your Apple devices in one place with the 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. Designed for iPhone 12 through 17 series with MagSafe magnetic alignment, it delivers fast and stable charging every time. Power up your Apple Watch from Series 4 to 10 and conveniently charge your AirPods with built-in wireless support. Just place your devices on the stand, no messy cables, no clutter, just a clean and organized setup. For best performance, use a PD 3.0 adapter with 9V2A or higher. The LED indicator keeps you informed with simple charging status at a glance. Perfect for your desk, bedside table, or office. This charging station keeps everything powered and ready. Meet the LOOPEDC SK09. More than just a flashlight, it's your everyday stress relief companion. Crafted from high-quality metal, this multifunction EDC tool combines a powerful portable flashlight with a smooth, rotating coin design. Spin it in your hand and feel instant relaxation, as the calming motion helps reduce stress and anxiety anytime, anywhere. Compact, durable, and lightweight, it easily fits in your pocket, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and daily carry. Whether you're at work, traveling, or just taking a break, the SK09 is designed to keep your hands busy and your mind relaxed. A flashlight, a fidget tool, and a stylish EDC gadget, all in one.